Yeah, I think that's the other part of this that that a hearing would help us tease out, because Ms. Clark, Dr. Lutz, and anybody else who we can get to testify or compelled to testify, they'll be under oath. And I think that could help us clear up a couple of these questions, because this is not a simple, straightforward case in my mind. There's a lot of intricacies involved. And I think, especially Ms. Clark, having her testify under oath is really the only way for the board to hear those answers directly from her. And since the complaints are against her, and I think it's only fair that we give her the opportunity to answer some of our questions before we try and make a decision on a violation of the law. Board members, any further discussion or questions of Ms. Sutherland? Okay, hearing none. We have a motion and a second that simply stated, the board determines that the information provided in the preliminary investigation warrants a hearing to determine whether Ms. Clark is guilty of failing to obey or enforce the provisions of RCW 70.05.050. The board directs the board directs staff to notify Ms. Clark that a hearing will be scheduled and notice provided pursuant to the provisions of 34.05 RCW. So with that, if there are no further questions or comments, we will call the question. All those in favor of the motion on the table at this time, please state aye.
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 Opposed, please state nay. Abstentions, please state your name. All right, thank you, board members. That motion was passed unanimously. So we will direct staff to notify Ms. Clark, and we will set up a hearing to pursue this matter further.